Rumour has it this Michael Bullough character is pretty pretentious and hates it when his name splits across two lines, like it does at the end of the first line just here. So I'm going to get my cursor in between the words Michael and Bullough and delete the space. So with the cursor still flashing in between those two words, we want to insert now a non-breaking space. In the type menu, insert white space, you will find non-breaking space. Also note, if you do this a lot, there is a keyboard shortcut just here. So let's insert that non-breaking space, and a space has popped up just here, a non-breaking space specifically. And now these two words here will never separate. They will never split across two lines. Now you can see the name Michael Bullough appears just a couple more times through this text. Let's see if we can't speed this up and replace those spaces with non-breaking spaces all in one shot. So let's go up to Edit, Find Change. We are in the text section just here. We have a Find What and a Change To section just here. So find what? Michael space Bullough. And we want to change it to Michael non-breaking space Bullough. But how do we write non-breaking space? Well, at the end of this Change To section just here, there is the little @ symbol just here. Click on that. It'll open up a menu. We can choose white space, non-breaking space. So this here is the internal InDesign code for a non-breaking space. So let's finish this off. So we are replacing Michael space Bullough with Michael non-breaking space Bullough. Let's move this over and hit the Find Next button a couple of times. And it's definitely picking up that name nicely. So let's jump straight into Change All, and 47 replacements. What a guy. Choosing OK and done. Now I'll admit guys, the formatting is a little off. That's just due to the sheer number of times the text Michael Bullough appears inside of here. But you can see if I resize the text box just here, never once will you see the words Michael and Bullough separate across two separate lines. Fantastic. Hopefully that'll keep him happy. Alrighty guys, so that's non-breaking spaces here inside of InDesign. I hope that helps. Catch you later.